channel. My name is Marina. I'm a fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content creator here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and my blog at her Millennial Closet. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hey sis, very returning back. Hey boo, you know I love you guys. Now let's get into the video. As you can see from the title, this is a Walmart spring haul. Yeah, Walmart, my local Walmart, don't play. I get all the latest collection and pieces. So when I tell you I hit gold, you are gonna be up, your jaw is gonna be on the floor the whole time when you see the pieces I got from this. Now let's get into the video because I'm so excited. As you can see in the cutaway, the first piece, it is this blue set. Now I'm somebody, if I like something and it have two colors, I'm gonna buy both of them. So you're gonna see this in orange. But as you can see in the cutaway, this set is so fun. The material is so good. The quality is so good. For size reference, I'm in a large in the top and I'm in an extra large in the bottom. It have stretch, it have elastic, it's very flowy, it's very movable, it's breathable. It's a kinted material, but you can wear this all summer long. You can take this with you on vacation. You are just fun. Like when I tell you the material is good, it is so good. Like I love the little ruffle detail at the bottom of the top, and the skirt have just like little straps moment. I love it so much. It doesn't have pocket, which is understandable because the material and the pocket and the style of the dress wouldn't have worked, but I just love this so much. I'm obsessed with it. The material is good. I will be very transparent. You guys know Walmart, Scoop, all these big brands has been doing a good job. I don't think this is from Scoop. Let me verify it. No, this is from Free Assembly. But I love this so much. I think I do have some Scoop pieces. You'll see that later. But yeah, this set is so gorgeous. I am obsessed. Moving on to the orange one. As you can see in the cutaway, I love it. Like I said, if I love it and it comes in multiple colors, I'm gonna get everything. The orange one is so cute. It's so comfortable. The same design, nothing different. It's just different colors. Now, when I first saw these, I was like, okay, I definitely want an orange, not the blue. And then I took both of them, and then I was like, oh my God, I think I love the blue one more. Now, I love orange, but I love the blue one so much. And it's so cute. I want to wear these on vacation. I want to take it out of the country. I just want to be a girl in these. Up next is this blue top. And by the way, if you hear my dog in the background, he's in the garage and I'm sitting next door to him. Sorry for the background noise. But anyway, as you can see in the cutaway, I love this blue top so much. Now, I got similar top from Walmart, not Walmart, Amazon, and I did not really like it, so I had to return it. When I saw this one at Walmart, I really loved it. I was going for this like a casual mom day. Imagine this top on a high-waisted jeans and a sneakers. It just go. Or just on this look together. It's just a good piece. All of the quality on these pieces are so good. Like 100 over 10 recommend. I love them. They're comfortable. They're chic. They're like pieces I'll dress up and down. And it's just really, really good. And I'm like, okay, the girls will love this. So I did size all the way up. It does run small. I'm in a size 20. And it's like, it's not as loose as I would want it to be. So just keep that in mind. Size up in this if you can pick up this shirt. I think that's it. It have a button that is open up. The quality is really, really good. I'm not even gonna kid you. There's nothing here I picked up and I'm like, oh, I don't like the quality. Absolutely not. Everything has really good quality. All right, moving on to the next piece. Next piece on here is actually the pants that I have on this look. As you can see in the cutaway, it is just really, really cute. It's this bubble pants with the tighter like ankle moment. Now, I saw this when it first came out of Nigeria, and I was like, I don't know if I love it or I hate it. This look is not for me, but then I picked this one up from Walmart, and my jaw, well, as you can see. I love the pants. I love the comfort of it. You do have to size up, like size all, like probably 2 sizes up if you want that baggy look, that loose look. The only downside about sizing up in this pants is that the leg area, the foot area where it's supposed to hold you tight, it will not hold you tight. It will be loose. So that's just my only downside. But I have pockets. It have elastic in the waist. It have a rope in the waist as well for extra security, which I thought was so cute. And I actually really love this pants. I've started, if you watch my spring summer haul lookbook, you'll see I styled this look like twice, I think. So it's a good look. It's a good pants. I love it. I am going to probably live in it a lot this summer because it just gives me the loose fit, the vibe that I'm looking for in any outfit. When I tell you I hit go at Walmart, I really did. Before we go any further though, I want to reintroduce myself again. Hey, my name is Mo. I'm the founder of Swag Clothing, a women's real brand here in Texas. If you're looking to support a small black-owned brand, just check out Swag Clothing, okay? Your girl will appreciate your support and all of your love. Now let's get back into the video. I also picked up this matching set, as you can see in the cutaway. I was looking for a linen 2-piece set, and when I saw this, I was like, okay, this is not casual. This is really dressy, but I can dress it down, I can dress it up, I can wear it different ways, and I thought I should bring it on the feed to you guys to see because this look is so good. The linen material is really good. The pants, I would say if you're oversizing, just oversize one, not twice. Because not twice. Because I had to oversize like twice on the other set from Walmart, and it was okay. But this one, I oversized all the way up, and it's so big. So I had to clip the pants in the back. So don't oversize at all, but the material is really good. I love this so much. I love the design at the front, the pocket, the like 2 big hoops pocket versus a side pocket. I love the one button. To elevate this, I would change the button to gold, but like a really good gold button. I love this piece so much. Again, do not oversize too much in the pants. The blazer, you do have to oversize a lot because if you want that loose fitted like I have on, you have to oversize a lot. If not, you are just fine. I love the look. It is so chic. It is so comfortable. It is so me, and I'm here for it. Sometimes we tend to overextend ourselves. You don't have to. You get the little pieces like this set, and you can style it to the best of your ability, and you look just good. All right, moving on to the next one. Up next is 2 pieces together, but we'll talk about the top first. As you can see in the cutaway, when I saw this orange vest moment, my jaw, yo, I was texting my assistant. I was like, I hit go at Walmart today. I love the quality of this. I love the blazer. It's like a vest Kente material blazer, and I love it so much. It is not too much going on. It doesn't have too much going on with it. It's just the right amount of chic, the right amount of fun, and I love it so freaking much. I love the button. I love the pocket. I love the material. You can wear it with a jeans like you see me have on. You can pair it with that linen shorts that you see me have on. You can put it on top of a skirt. I don't have anything like this for summer, so when I saw this, I ran. I didn't walk. I think they have it in navy blue, but if you know me, me and colors, we're like, we're mighty. So I went straight for the orange one. It just makes sense. It's my vibe. It's my style, and I love it so much. Like 10 over 10 recommend this. It's just what I am. You know what I mean? It's Mo. All right, moving on to the next piece. The next piece though is actually the pants, the jeans that you see me have on. This is from Jessica Simpson. I say this, I always get my good pair of jeans from her. A really good high-waisted jeans. She look out for the curvy girls. This is such a good high-waisted jeans. For size reference, I am in a size 16 in here. So I guess this one runs small because her other jeans that I have, I'm in a size 14 and it's big for me. So this runs a little small, so you might have to size up one more. But other than that, it's actually a really good pair of jeans. The length is good. It doesn't make you, sorry I didn't get to turn around so you can see, it does not give you flat kicky and all that. It's just a really good pants, and I love it. I'm gonna style this and get a lot of wear out of this. At my church, I'm an usher, so on Sunday we just wear jeans and our ushering shirt. So I've been looking for really different kinds of jeans to add to my collection, so this is a good one. I got another one from Express, and I got and now this one, so I'll get to wear this a lot. And I also styled this in another look, so you'll get to see that on my feet, so you really love that. And sorry if I'm going a little bit faster. It's about to pour down rain here in Houston today, but that's okay. I might have to stop filming soon because it's gotten pitch dark outside already. I don't know if you can see it in the quality, but I just wanted to tell you that. That's why I'm rushing a little bit. But anyway, before I bring out the next piece, I want to tell you all about the blog. If you're a reader, I want you to head on to www.millennialcloset.com. I post on there twice a month. I send out newsletter every week, from sales to what's going on in my life update, all of those stuff. Just head on to blog. I said this in another video. So I was trying to do 75 hard. So can you believe I'm in a size large top now for my extra large? Now, I did not get to do a 75 hard. I started it. I did part of it. So I work out 5 days a week, twice a day. I do a 45-minute strength training and a 45-minute cardio. I walk, so it gives me 3 miles. And then I also see a dietitian. I also have a coach at my gym. But I go to a boot camp. And the third thing I started doing is, which is part of 75 hard, is to read 10 pages a day. I bought a Kindle instead of a regular book. And I love African novel. I said that in another video. I'm an African novelty girl because it's just fun. And the characters, you can relate to them. The speaking, you can understand. I'm a fictional girl. I'm a love romance book girl, fun book girl. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you I've lost weight and I've been doing a lot of fun stuff. Moving on to the next piece. Last but not least, it is this matching set. I was looking for something casual, something that I can wear out of the day in the house, not out of the house, something I would just wear to lounge around. And I thought this set was really nice. It is cute, it is chic, it is comfortable. I love the little scallop moment on the side of the pants. I did turn around for y'all to see that. I love how they tie this shirt at the front. I was trying to recreate a piece that I got from ASOS like 3 years ago, and I really love that set. I even wore it when I was pregnant with my daughter, but the quality of this is good, but this is not as oversized as the ASOS piece, so that's why I'm going to return this. I think this is the only piece from this whole haul I'm going to return. Everything else I'm going to keep because I really love everything else, but I love this too. I like it. I don't love it. It's not giving the vibe that I wanted, but it's still not bad. It's a good matching set to have for travel, for lounging around, vacation. You could do good with it. That brings me to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy hanging out with me. I've had so much fun hanging out with you guys. God bless you. I will see you in my next vlog. Okay, oh, before I leave, all the pieces are linked in the description below. I'm in from a size large. The smallest I'm in is a size large. I go all the way up to a size 20. That's because I oversized in some of the pieces. I've linked everything on my LTK, and I've also linked them on my Marvelly storefront. But check the description, you'll see everything there. Okay, I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me. God bless you, and bye bye.